Alright, we're doing tape measure competitions.
On 1 foot. Can't forget the 1 foot.
On
I'm
one
really
foot.
bad at balancing on 1 foot, so this is...
I'm very good at balancing on 1 foot.
Joel has quite the advantage. He's going pretty steady.
Dude, that's 136?
Really?
Yeah.
There it goes.
Right as you said it.
148 and a half.
100.
Nice, nice,
This
nice.
one is so much better though. Good.
What'd you get to on the good run, Evan?
172
Ooh.
on that one.
Nice, nice.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Here. You want to take over recording, David?
David
You gotta
can.
record this.
No,
David,
my hand's
I'm
too
going
shaky.
again.
What?
I'm going again.
My foot's getting a little sore. I have to sit this one out.
Alright, I'll just give Joel his last run. Just hold the phone.
No, my hands are super shaky.
Amazing. Just truly disappointing.
Yep, there it goes.
What you at?
146.
Yeah.
I got
it's-
the 177.
My record is at 148.
The 177. I'm gonna start a little
Like
bit extended.
100
That might be
short
a little cheating.
world record, right?
Yeah, that's not.
244 is world record, boys.
You need a different tape.
There's an
measure.
art to this. It's
Yeah. I don't think
it's a
you're on
real
1 foot,
challenge.
Evan.
No, he's on 1 foot.
No,
It's just
but-
it's just the smallest.
Oh, okay.
Check this.
Well,
Yeah, that's 1 foot.
that is 1 foot, guys. I ain't cheating.
I was at the wrong angle. I apologize. What? Wait. Don't check. We'll lose balance. No. Go back up. Go back up. Woo! Holy shit.
Make sure it doesn't go the other way.
That's a lot less. 171.
That's not bad.
Still better than the thing you did, Joel. How do you feel?
Don't
Cool.
whack me with a tape measure.
It's been 5 minutes, guys.
It's been 2 minutes 40 seconds at least.